Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can adjust your graphic in FIFA Mobile. So if you are running this game on low Android or low gadget, so you can lower the setting, or if you want some best performance and best visual, you can adjust it. So what you need to do first is tap the edit button at the top of your screen. As you can see, there are some options here. So tap the graphics one. Tap it. As you can see, there are some options here that you can adjust. If you are running this game on low gadget, you can pick this power saver, low or standard resolution. Everything is low. But if you are going to see some beautiful visual, you can adjust it on high or even increase the frame rate. Okay, please adjust it according to your gadget. Or if you are dubbed, or if you don't want some risk, you can tap the recommend according your phone. This is automatically adjusting. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.